Using your physical credit card for every random website you find online is a massive security mistake that most people don't realize they are making until their bank account is drained. You are basically handing out the keys to your house to every stranger you meet. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up a Revolut virtual card so you can shop anywhere without ever risking your main balance. Stick around until the end, because I will share a specific trick for managing your monthly subscriptions that will save you from those annoying, forgotten charges that eat up your paycheck. The reason most people get scammed or deal with fraudulent charges is that physical cards are static. Once your card details are saved on a site that gets hacked, your money is sitting there waiting to be taken. A virtual card solves this by acting as a digital shield. It is a completely separate card number that lives only inside your phone. If a sketchy website tries to charge you more than they should, or if their data gets leaked, your actual bank account remains untouched. It provides secure, disposable options for online payments and spending management. You get to keep your main account protected from fraud while enjoying a quick setup that takes less than a minute. Let's get this set up right now. Open your Revolut app and look for the Cards section on the home screen. Tap that, and then you will see an option to add a new card. Select the Virtual Card option. From here, you can actually get creative. Choose a design that stands out and give the card a specific name like shopping or travel. This helps you keep your finances organized later. Once you hit Create, the card is ready instantly. You will see the card number, the expiry date, and the CVV code appear on your screen immediately. You don't have to wait for the mailman to bring you a piece of plastic. Just copy those details directly into your favorite online checkout and you are good to go. If you want to use this in the real world at a grocery store or a cafe, just add the card to your Apple Pay or Google Pay wallet. It works perfectly for contactless payments at registers. Just keep in mind that if you need cash, you will need to find a contactless ATM because these cards obviously don't have a physical strip to slide into a machine. The best part is the control you have. You can create multiple cards for different purposes, set strict spending limits so you never go over budget, and if you ever feel like a card has been compromised, you can freeze or delete it with a single tap in the app. It effectively isolates your transactions so you aren't exposing your physical card details to risky sites. Now, for that pro tip I promised you. If you are signing up for a free trial or a service you only want to use for 1 month, use the disposable virtual card feature. This card number automatically destroys itself and changes the moment a payment goes through. This means a company can never charge you a second time without your permission. It is the ultimate way to manage subscriptions and stop companies from stealing your money through hidden recurring fees. Since there are no fees to create these cards and they work globally, you should be using them for every single online purchase you make. Now that your spending is secure, you should look into how to set up Revolut vaults to start growing your savings automatically every time you spend.